When one syllable verbs ends in a single consonant other than W, X or Y, immediately preceding by a single vowel, the final consonant is doubled before the ending ed is added to the form of the past participle. So here this is a what? This is a consonant. So here to rub, R-U-B, B is a consonant letter. So here immediately it has been doubled. So here consonant has been doubled means R-U-B-B. So after that consonant here ed is added. So here E is a what? Vowel. So here to rub, rubbed. To stop, stopped. So to trim, trimmed. So next, when a verb more than one syllable. So here we discussed about one syllable. Now we are discussing about more than one syllable ends in a single consonant other than W, X, Y, immediately preceding a single vowel. The final consonant is doubled before it ending only when the last syllable of the word is pronounced with the heaviest stress. So here we are particularly using stress on the such words. So here for example control, last is L letter. So here it is a consonant. So when here converted into the past participle, so here controlled. So here double syllables is there. So here ed is added. So here we are pronouncing as double L as controlled. So we are pressing on the last letter. So controlled. So here to infer, inferred. So here we are pressing on inferred. So here to occur, occurred. So here we are pressing on R. Here the first syllable of the word pronounced with the heaviest stress. So in previous we said that the consonant has double consonant has been stressed more. So here the only first syllables is pronounced with the high stress and the final consonant is not doubled before ed is added. So here example to fasten. So here we are stressing on fasting. Here we are using here. So F. So here to fasten. So here fastened. To ordered, ordered. To limit, limited. So here we are stressing on the first letters. So here next, the final consonants W, X and Y are never doubled when the ending ed is added. So here your example followed. To follow, here followed only when the letters ends with Y, X, Y, W, X, Y. So here ed is only added. So here followed, ed is added. To box, boxed, X is there, only ed is added. So here portray, portrayed, YED is added. So you see WED, XED, YED, only ED is added. Now it could also be noted that final consonant immediately preceded by two vowels are not doubled when the ed is added. So here two vowels. So here you see example to greet. So here e is a vowel. So here again e is there. So here two vowels are there. No? So that's why here ed is added. So here you see only ed, not double, only e is added. So here to greet. So here in the present it has been ed is added. So here only direct e is added, the last greeted. So here rain, AI is a vowel. So here rained. To soak, so here OA is vowel. So soaked. To treat, so EA is there, treated. So this is about the spell rules for adding ed to the form of the past participle. Thank you.